He does that every time he sees the camera. Don't you? Hey, my YouTube people. Thanks for coming back to see just what I do today. Hope you're having a great day today. Got a storm getting ready to roll through here in Colorado. But we're outside checking on the plants and the animals and whatnot. They're all doing okay. All trying to beat the heat, make sure everybody's water bottle is full and everybody has fresh water is the biggest thing. I just thought I'd show you that some of my green beans are just taking off, finally. Now hopefully, just because I'm filming them, they don't go to crap. Because the last time you just wait for me to start filming and you do that. Because the last time I filmed my green beans, later on that night we got hail. So I had to start all over again. I've done that every time I film my plants, so I'm not going to show you everything. Because sometimes I guess that jinxes me. I think he does that just to be a jerk. But still got pumpkins going over here. And that one's going up. That one. Just doing that to be rude. Here, Bubba. And there's the sweet puppies. Of course they're outside with me, huh? It'd be weird if you weren't. There's a honey bunny. And a big bear. Yeah. But everybody's doing good. But we came out here to check on everybody and thought we'd also come over here because this is just loaded and pluck some of these gooseberries. But yeah, this gooseberry plant is just loaded full of berries. And with gooseberries, the darker the berry, the sweeter the fruit. So I always wait for them to get super dark. Now what do we do with them? I don't really do much with them. Just eat them like you would a grape. Yeah, they have this yellowy stage, and then they just start changing to this really dark. There's a yellowy stage one. Don't ever eat it when it looks like that. But when it's dark like this, they are really good and super sweet. But this is just loaded full of them. I don't know how well you can see, but it's just drooping the plant down. Because we're over here towards the fruit garden, which is okay. The gooseberries are doing better than anything else. I have a lot of raspberries, but I don't ever get any flowers to produce raspberries. It's very strange. There's supposed to be a grapevine back there, but I don't know if it survived or not. I used to have a bunch of strawberry plants in here, but I couldn't keep the dogs from pulling them up. And not the pups, but the big dogs that are always out here. Yeah, they kept pulling them up, so it's annoying. And gotta be careful with these gooseberry plants because they seriously take off. I put it in this corner and it's just taking over this corner, which is just fine. That was the whole point of putting it over here. But they also produce these massive thorns on them, so you gotta be careful. Yeah, like right there, massive thorns on them. So I try to make sure they stay out of the walk path, so when the dogs run through it doesn't whack them in the face, because that would just suck. So we're gonna pluck some gooseberries. I'm sure you can make like gooseberry pie, but I just eat them like grapes. Let me know down below on what if you do anything with gooseberries or if you've even had one. I got a bucket down below I'm just dropping them all into. Because sometimes when you touch the plant, they just fall when they're ripe. You gotta watch for wasps and bees and spiders. But yeah, they're quite tasty. Some places don't allow gooseberry plants because they tend to take over. But yeah, you just pinch there, and eat it. Just like a grape. But the gooseberry plant doesn't vine like a grape. It's more of a bushy thing. And they tend to gain spider webs in them too, so it's a good thing and a bad thing. Ooh, they got nasty thorns. I mean, some of them are just covered in berries. Some are ready to go and some aren't. I'm going to leave those on for a bit longer. Just trying to take the really dark ones for now.
You're such a silly boy. My helper is over here enjoying a salad. Surprised it's not a feather you're chewing on, Bubba. So far, you go ahead right there. Oh, there she is. There she is. What's that part, Bubba? Bubba, you'll be silly. Have a salad? And there's a honey finally. She came down off the porch. Yeah, she says it's starting to rain. I don't want to get wet. Ah, it's a big silly boy. A little big honey bunny. Hi, honey. And Oliver. Your mama went back in the house.
This is their dad. They don't know him as dad, but this is their dad. They look nothing like him. Oh, you just shake one after the other? Hi. Okay, let's finish what we came out here to do. Now are distractions before the rain hits more. There's a somewhat decent amount in my bucket. But there's a bunch more all over it. And some that still have to wait. So I'm gonna pluck some more and we'll see what we get into the rest of this week. But thanks for watching so far. Don't forget to whack my like thingy and subscribe. Well, different day. And of course another storm on the way, but that's okay. Thought we'd walk over to the garden, show you how the garden's doing. Rained enough yesterday to refill that barrel. Fine by me, let it rain. It's better than that evil, icky ass white crap. And here's the garden. The bear's exploring. They're all exploring down there. Big bear. Now I know what you're thinking. You're letting the weeds overtake your garden. No. Actually, get through. This is what we call cheap chicken feed. It's not overrunning the garden, it's just cheap chicken feed. This cuts down on the chicken feed bill, and that's why we only pull small sections so we don't overwhelm the chickens. So yeah, there's all kinds of stuff in here besides the weeds. But off this way, it's just exploding this year. Because there's a rain barrel right there. And every time it rains, it overflows. And all down that way it flows. So everything on this side is just exploding. And the pups just love playing in the garden. Huh. Yeah. What's Big Bear doing? He's exploring. He's a silly boy. Yeah. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff through here. Squash. Different types of squash. I think there's cantaloupe even. Can't all remember what I planted. And the pups love coming in here, so some of the stuff I planted is not where I planted it. Which is fine, it's no big deal. Like that corn right there, that's not where I put that. I put that against the fence. But that's okay, they had fun. They have fun in here running around. Doing all kinds of stuff. So yeah, every once in a while just come in and either I do it or my dad does it. And we just pluck a bunch of this. A bucket's worth. And always have to have helpers. Be weird if I was outside without my helpers. The only time I'm outside without my helpers is if there's too much evil, icky ass white crap. So yeah, we'll just yeah, they have a special little entrance just so they can get in here. And every once in a while the grass grows up too tall and they can't find the entrance. It's rather funny. But yeah, just come through and pull a bunch, fill a bucket's worth. This stuff is edible. I'm just not fond of it. Yeah, and this stupid weed takes forever to die. And it just sucks up the water away from everything else. But it makes for really great, cheap chicken feed. Because in a minute, when we take the bucket in there, I'll take you with me and I'll show you how much they enjoy the Cheep chicken feed. Just all of it in here is edible to the chickens. You just gotta watch what you grab. You don't grab a plant like that one right there. I think that's a cantaloupe or something. I don't really know. Oh, I just got attacked from behind. There he is! You silly boy, what is you doing? What's that silly boy doing? What's that silly boy doing? You all wound up? Where's that silly boy? Here he comes! There they are. What you doing? That's our big silly puppies. Yeah. That's silly puppies. You got something in your eye, honey. Okay. Let's go take this bucket over. Come on, everybody. Let's take this bucket of weeds over to him. It's starting to rain, huh? Again. Rain most of the night. Come on, everybody. Oliver. Where's the old Bubba? My industrial-sized one, doing well. Oh, my honey helper. Are you scared of ducks? Get back up, honey. Thank you. Hey, quackers. Guys, quackers. Hi. So as you can see, they just love eating the weeds. What, Phoenix? You think I was talking to you? Yeah. The freezer camp birds in the house, they're almost old enough to come outside. He does that every time he sees the camera. Don't you? So that's just super cheap chicken feed. Because now I don't have to bring out any feed because they're too busy eating that instead. The ducks do tend to nibble at it too once in a while. And yes, my turkey is still separated. Because the chickens won't stop plucking his feathers and eating them. It's very weird. It's annoying. But yeah, as you can see, they love weeds. Cuts down on the feed bill this time of year. And yes, some are missing a lot of feathers. Those are his favorite ladies. Those are his favorite ladies, if you know what I mean. So, I'm gonna go around, make sure everybody else has got feed, and go see what the pups are doing. Because I've got one right here. Lucy! Yeah, she's my honey helper. She's mad she can't come in. Yeah. Where's your brother? I don't know either. Well, let's go see what everybody's doing. See what else we can get stuck into today. While it rains. Some more. There's one. Where's Big Bear? Where's Big Bear? Big Bear! Where's my bear? Here he goes. Yeah, roar. There they are. Hi, silly puppies. Yeah. He's gonna get you. Well, thanks for watching so far. Don't forget to whack my like thingy and subscribe. Ah, bun. Oh, she's getting up, boy. And it's so. And it's so. What's that? What's that? It's peeping on you. They're more fun to watch than I am anyways, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's go see what else we can do.